So if you're enjoying your Nintendo Switch, but you really hate that you cannot use your Bluetooth headphones with it, I have the solution for you. Now this solution does require an adapter, but it's not going to be an adapter that you're going to have to plug into the 3.5mm headphone jack. Instead, this adapter plugs in directly to the USB-C port on the bottom of your Switch and does not require any charging at all. You just plug and play. Now, if you've been on the internet recently, you know that there's a new company with a new Kickstarter out there called Genkai. Now, while I'm very excited and optimistic about that product, it's still very much in the Kickstarter phase. And the one I'm going over today is going to be the Creative BT-W2 Bluetooth adapter. Now, if you notice, the Creative adapter is actually not USB-C. It's USB type A, I believe it's called. So in order to use the Creative, you're gonna have to go out and buy a USB A to a USB-C adapter. The one I'm gonna be using is from Anker, and I believe you can buy a pack of these for about $8. Now the Creative BT-W2 is gonna run you about $35. Now that is pretty steep for just a Bluetooth adapter, but you have to take into consideration there's basically no other Bluetooth adapter like this on the market today currently. And what makes this Bluetooth adapter special is pretty much just that button on the back of it. With that button, you can basically pair any set of Bluetooth headphones without needing any additional software. Like a standard Bluetooth adapter, once you plug it into your computer, you have to install Bluetooth software for it so that it can actually pair and be functional, whereas this one is plug and play. You don't need any additional software at all. You just plug it into your device. So like I said, in order to use this Bluetooth adapter with your Nintendo Switch, you first plug it into your USB-A to USB-C adapter. As soon as you have it on there, just plug it in directly to the USB-C port and power on your Switch. Like I mentioned, this solution does not require any external power. It gets all this power that it needs from the Nintendo Switch, and it does not drain your battery. It's a very low power consumption. It probably takes like 10% of your battery to keep this thing powered on. But now that you have it plugged in, you have your Nintendo Switch powered on, you see the light blinking, you can actually hold down that light for about 5 seconds and it should start blinking more rapidly. Now once you have the pair of headphones you're using, just bring them over to your Nintendo Switch and set them into pairing mode. This can be holding down the power button for a few seconds or flipping a switch or whatever it is on your set of Bluetooth headphones. And this should work for basically every Bluetooth headphone out there, every modern Bluetooth headphone out there, but your experience may vary, so just keep that in mind. Now, once you have your headphones in pairing mode and you have the Creative on pairing mode, after a few seconds, they should automatically connect and you're ready to go. It's that easy, it's very simple. And in my experience, when you power off the Switch, your headphones automatically disconnect and the adapter turns off. It doesn't take up any more power. And the next time you power on your Switch, just plug back in the adapter and it should automatically pair with whatever headphones you were using before. You'll also notice once you plug in this USB adapter to the Nintendo Switch, the Switch actually recognizes it as a USB headset. This is due to the fact that the Nintendo Switch only officially supports USB headsets. It doesn't support Bluetooth headsets. So this adapter is kind of tricking the system, making it think it's just plugging in a USB headset. But even being recognized as a USB headset, it functions practically just the same as any other Bluetooth headset out there on the market with any other device. You can actually adjust the volume on the Nintendo Switch and on your Bluetooth headphones separately, so you can max out the volume on your Nintendo Switch, but if your headphones are set to really low volume, it's still gonna sound pretty low. Another thing to keep in mind is that with this adapter, you can actually plug in the adapter directly to your Nintendo Switch dock. So when you have the Nintendo Switch docked and you're doing a longer play session, but you don't want to disturb anyone around you, you can just plug this adapter into your Nintendo Switch dock and then use your Bluetooth headphones. That way it works just the same. So the entire cost of this solution is probably around $43, $45 in total if you get it all from Amazon. While that's not the cheapest solution out there, it's definitely one of the better ones, at least for now. It's also one of the smallest solution out there. It does kind of get a bit ruly. It kind of hangs off the bottom of your Switch. But if you're just playing handheld, you're not really resting against anything, it's perfectly fine. You're not going to be annoyed by it. You're not really going to notice it. You're going to be paying attention to your game. And also the latency. I know latency is a problem for all Bluetooth headphones and all Bluetooth devices out there. I mean, if you're deep into Fortnite, which is really the only kind of twitchy shooter for Nintendo Switch right now, you may notice some latency here and there, but personally, there was no issue for me. I didn't notice anything at all. But anyway, that was my run through of this nifty little Bluetooth adapter for the Switch. I highly recommend it if you're like desperately want to get Bluetooth headphones on your Switch and you don't want to wait. I think the Genkai thing is coming out in October if it actually does come out. So that's still a couple months away. If you don't want to wait that long, you want to just pick up this and know it works, I highly recommend this product. I'll leave links down below to check it out yourself. But if you have any other ideas or any other solutions to get Bluetooth headphones working on your Nintendo Switch, leave a comment down below and let me know about that. And if you liked this review slash walkthrough kind of thing, maybe leave me a like, subscribe to the channel. That'd be really appreciated. Really mean a lot to me. But as always, my name is Joshua Joe Munoz. Stay sexy, and I'll see you sometime.